we're back. We're the last minute equalizer. And we are back with another roundup. And this is the roundup of round of 16 games, which have been very exciting. And it's been a roller coaster for all the fans and even for you guys. And yeah, and we'll get into that. But before we start, we'd just like to tell you that since we have a partnership with Football Jersey Store 1, you still have that offer of buying jerseys and using the code LME10 to get yourselves a 10% discount on any jersey you'd like to order. And yeah, so let's just get into the video now.
Okay, so the first match, Wales versus Denmark, 4-0. Another surprising game by Denmark. Like, what?
Not really surprising, to be fair. I mean, the form they were in going into the game, I mean, the way they played against Russia, it was just the same. And the Wales, they just couldn't cope with it.
But still,
Denmark,
scoring 4 goals in 2 games.
Maybe, yes, scoring 4 goals were not expected, but I did think that they will win.
Yeah,
But
I mean,
the
they
way
were.
they played again, similar to the way they played against Russia, some great, exciting football. And Wales, they just couldn't cope with it.
Yeah.
Denmark have come so strong. I mean, they are one of the, like, if not किसी का favorite नहीं होगा अब obviously people are rooting for them now. And
Yeah, I think they are everybody's second team.
yeah,
Yeah.
तो यही
But
था
like,
वही very
I think
strong.
it was a pretty poor performance from Wales when they conceded the first goal. Like, before that, they were playing well, they had the possession, but then they just lost hope. And Gareth Bale lost his shit, I don't know why.
It was quite weird. And he was just
Yeah.
asked if it was his last game and he just stormed off. He could have just said no. I don't know. Maybe he was just angry that he lost. He lost.
Yeah.
Anyways, I
Okay,
think-
so let's move on to the next game, which is Italy versus Austria 2-1. All the 3 goals were like in the last minutes of the
Extra
game. Extra time, yeah.
But bro, in the first
And-
90 minutes, I saw the game and I felt that Austria also played very well. It wasn't like, I mean,
Yeah,
obviously
yeah.
Italy dominated the game, but Austria were defending well. I mean,
Like
considering
they gave a good fight.
yeah, they gave a good fight in the first like 90 minutes. But again, Italy being Italy, they dominated in the extra time also.
Plus, they had obviously a better squad than Switzerland. Than Austria. That also comes into place in
Yeah.
extra time. And you have 5 subs, 6 subs.
Hmm,
Who
yeah.
can you bring on from the bench? So I think both this goals was scored by substitute. I think Chiesa and Pessina. I think
yeah,
Pessina,
yeah,
yeah.
both were substitutes.
so that's what was the difference with the substitutes. Then you have a better squad, obviously in extra time. You
Yeah.
think that the better team will win. But I think as we'll discuss that's not always the case.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which we'll bring about.
Yeah, I think
थोड़ी देर में उसका भी discussion होगा प्यारा सा.
But I think Austria also got 1 goal, so that's good for them. That's decent.
अरे but like
yeah,
good
Italy की
to go
थोड़ी
down
that
that-
Italy की
in the end, they got a
Good
little
to
more
fatigue
tired
also.
than Italy. It was more in the end. The extra time, it's all about fitness also, and they just got a little bit more tired because they were defending. The whole game they were, defending, trying to keep it together, and towards the end, obviously with tiredness, it just played a
Yeah.
part, and that's why they considered those goals.
yeah,
Okay.
this was Netherlands Czech is also
Netherlands.
one of the heartbreaks for the
Netherlands.
Favorite.
Like,
Polish
I think
fans.
the team who performed really well in the group stage, like winning all the 3 games, getting all 9 points, and then just losing to Czech Republic.
So this
mean-
is what
I mean, the game
knockout
changed
is all
after the
about,
red card.
bro. This is what
Honestly, I
knockout
think everybody expected Netherlands to do well, but the point is the Czech they figured out how to negate the 3 at the back.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it was quite an even game.
Bro,
and I
Netherlands
think
lost
game-
when he got the red card. De Ligt got the
Yeah, I
red
think the
card.
game turned there
Yeah.
only because
Yeah.
just before that, Marlon missed a very,
Yeah.
very easy chance to score. And on the next attack, Dillard got a red card. And after that red card, obviously, they just couldn't cope with it. Obviously, because they were already playing 3 at the back. So it became really difficult. And as expected, Czech then beat them. Because
Yeah.
their defense, I think as already said, their defense was not the strength. It was always the attack.
Yeah.
After the red card,
And
obviously,
Schick scored again.
Yeah, what a tournament he's having. He's also got a big move.
Maybe let's
Iconic
maybe.
also, but we'll see.
Okay. Next game which happened on that day was Belgium-Portugal 1-0.
Oh yeah, my team.
Yeah, Portugal
your
jersey.
team.
Akul is wearing a Portugal jersey. Please, Akul, tell us your thoughts.
If you would have seen
Yeah,
us Instagram story,
It was a game where just a brunt of brilliance separated the teams and a little bit of luck, to be fair. I mean, what a goal from Thorgan Hazard. I
Thorgan
mean,
Hazard.
so unexpected also. I mean,
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect him.
I think it was Eden Hazard's
Yeah.
assist, right?
I don't remember.
I don't remember, but उसने बहुत लंबा shot मारा था भाई.
And what a goal and what a knuckle.
हाँ.
I mean, what even a place ball on a rolling ball, उसने knuckle मार दी. It was very, very cool to watch.
But
I mean, the
Portugal
placement
overall,
also
Portugal
like
were a
this.
better team, bro. Honestly, Portugal.
Like
played
the
a
chances they created, they kept on creating, but they couldn't convert.
Just couldn't get that, like,
Oh,
hit the
yeah.
post towards the end. Jota was so bad in that game. He missed so many easy chances.
Bro, Guerrero hit a post, भाई. वो चला जाता पूरा.
Exactly, they hit the post.
हाँ.
It was one of those games where in the first half it was quite tentative. Both teams they didn't want to
Yeah.
attack. They were trying to be, safe. And
Belgium
then
also
Belgium
scored in like the last minutes of the game, right? Like last 10 minutes, something.
Who?
No.
Belgium
No,
scored in the
they
first
scored in
half.
the-
towards the end of the first half.
Yeah,
The first half के
yeah,
end में
yeah.
मारा था Hazard ने.
Hmm.
तो वो just उसी टाइम पे 1-0 हो गया और second half में basically Belgium sat back कि
हाँ.
absorption करेंगे और counter पे attack करेंगे और वही करते कि लुकाकू को clear करके वो touch down करेगा.
हाँ.
अब यही किया उन्होंने.
कर रहे थे inroads. But I think वो ये कि in the second half they could have made the changes quicker. I think Bruno and all should have probably come on a little bit earlier. I think Moutinho was not the right decision because again he didn't play well.
But like
Bruno
Sanchez
should have
played
done
well. Renato
Sanchez played well. I
really
think this was probably it's actually मतलब पूरा perfect circle हो गया उसके लिए कि he
हाँ.
got his fame from Euro 16. Then he went to
Hmm.
Bayern. Then he flopped there. Then he went to Swansea. Flopped there. Then
flopped there.
everybody thought it was over. Then he came back to Lille. He had a good 1 or 2 seasons in our Euros. He performed so well again. So it's quite a
Yeah.
good story arc.
good.
Character development. Wow. चलो next
Okay,
game पे
so
चलते
now
हैं, which was the
The
day.
biggest day, like what a day for
Probably
football.
the biggest and most entertaining day for international football. One of
In total,
Yeah.
there were like what? 6 plus 5, 3,
6
8,
plus 8.
14, 15 goals
I mean,
in a day.
I think normally in one tournament, one match happens like this, but both the matches
Yeah.
happening
Yeah.
on the same day. Such high scoring, such
This
close
like,
matches.
yeah,
I mean,
and the same
everything
situation
they
in
had.
both the matches. Same situation. 1-0 down, 3-1 up, 3-all
Yeah.
equalizer, and then
And then
extra time.
and then obviously that changed.
Yeah.
Spain
Yeah.
won and
let's talk about Spain versus
Croatia, Spain first.
I think first of all, what was that own goal? What was that own goal?
Yeah.
I mean, what was it? I mean,
Okay.
that was society type of football भाई कि उसके पैर के नीचे से निकल गई बॉल ये ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर के साथ.
Which was worse though? ये वाला जो स्पेन का ओन गोल था या जो डुब्राव्का ने करा था ओन गोल?
नहीं ये this was worse यार.
this was obviously
Simple
because
ball
in this one
control करने मतलब
in this one उसने पास ही उसे intentional दी थी, उससे ऊपर से निकल गई.
that was
I mean,
something.
bhai,
But then-
if it's international football and you're professional, bhai, this is not expected from you.
yeah.
एकदम
But-
ऊपर से तुम्हें जज ही नहीं कर पाया कि बॉल आएगी.
वही तो. Anyways, but after that, Spain, they have found the way to score goals basically. So
Yeah.
group stage in the start में they were just not able to do it. They found the way. Although again Morata was not playing well in the first 90. He didn't do well, but other players did chip in with some good goals. Basically, Luis Enrique has found how to make this team to score goals. Which
Yeah,
wasn't
he
able
has
to
found
do
this.
today.
He has found his attacking, like
I think
Hmm.
Pedri played really well. Like he was in the midfield, he
I
played
think
really
he's
well.
one of the better. I mean, like he should be compared to Foden or some people, and Foden is like
Yeah.
2-3 years older than him, भाई. मतलब
Hmm.
Pedri तो बहुत ही अच्छा टैलेंट है. I really like him.
पेड्री बहुत अच्छा
और-
है यार.
but
भाई
because
थोड़ी
3-1
क्रोएशिया की बात कर लो भाई.
was
क्रोएशिया 3-1 डाउन भाई, वहां से आना 3 और
And last
वही
में
तो
5
just
मिनट
coming
में
3-1 down in the
भाई मैं पागल हो गया था 90+2 पे जब हेडर लगा ना.
what a way to
मैं पागल हो गया था.
what a header. Well, yeah, देखो Spain का that leadership they lacked it towards the end. Imagine there was a Ramos in defense.
I
I'm pretty
think
sure
they
would
were
not have
tired
lost
also,
that.
bro. Like Croatia weren't running enough, they weren't pushing, and I think Spain made some substitutions also. So उसपे बहुत help मिला उन्हें.
Maybe. But I think वही था कि maybe a lack of maybe a leader at the back, because again those goals, they were defensively not coordinated enough, and a header in the last minute, that means that the defensive coordination was not there. So maybe that was what they were missing. But then in extra time again, as I said before the game before was तो Italy वाले में था कि Croatia, they just got tired. They just couldn't cope.
Yeah, they just
अबे फिर उन्होंने 2 गोल मार के खत्म
scored.
बात.
Morata
when Morata scored, yeah. Even like when Morata scored, I thought they'll score again, but they didn't push. They gave spaces and then they conceded one more.
They got tired, because they had pushed so much towards the end of the game, and 90 minutes ago they तब push किया था 3 all के लिए. उसके बाद
3 all पे उनका पूरा हो गया था. अबे you can't expect a team to come back twice in one game, ना? तो
वही तो मतलब I think they were kind of hoping कि हम 3 all के बाद penalty था, क्योंकि I think everybody knew कि वो थक गए थे, कि they were tired, they were not going to attack. But Spain obviously took advantage of that and scored 2 goals, 5-3.
Next game पे चलो अब, which was
shock of the
जो
tournament.
मेरे दिल पे बहुत चोट आई उस मैच को देख के. Because
और मेरी हालत देखो क्या हुई, जैसे ही हारी उसके बाद ये जर्सी आई.
Wait, shock of the tournament.
France versus Switzerland. देखो, अगर if I'm watching it as a football fan, I would be very happy for Switzerland. I mean,
and Switzerland deserved that.
Switzerland deserved it. Watching it as a football person, Switzerland deserved it because I was supporting.
Like I was watching because I was not supporting anybody.
Because I was supporting France. It was like a heartbreak for me. But Switzerland deserved it. Being a France supporter, also I'm saying this. Switzerland deserved it.
They were first half with France. They were not playing well. Defensively, France. I don't know what happened. Kim Pompey.
No. The 5 at the back which he did. First of all, he didn't have a proper left back.
Both were injured.
वो उसको खिला रहे थे. राबियो को. And वो उसको आता नहीं राबियो को लेफ्ट.
और लॉन्गले भाई, लॉन्गले को दूसरी बात खिला रहे हो, वो भी नॉकआउट स्टेज में तुम क्यों ला रहे हो लॉन्गले को भाई? मेरे को तो यही नहीं समझ आया. बकवास. चलो ठीक है.
Third center back, 5 at the back. This shouldn't have changed it. They should have probably put somebody at left back. They should have put a right back at left back. Right back तो होगा के पास
कर लेता वो.
हाँ भैया, मतलब
कम से कम डिफेंड तो कर ही लेता. 3-1 पे डिफेंड तो कर ही लेता कम से कम. And second thing, Mbappe didn't play. This wasn't the tournament for him.
I mean, even the game. I mean, he missed the penalty.
Yeah.
It was also not even a good. I mean, it was a good save, but also a bad penalty for him. I mean, as he was walking up, I knew he was going to miss. I just knew it. I was as Mbappe.
Now he'll just come back stronger. I believe he will come back stronger. And
let's see.
I mean, but let's just address Paul Pogba goal. What a goal! भाई कहीं से भी शॉट लेके कहीं कुछ भी कर दिया उसने और अंदर चला गया.
There's a reason why you say Pog boom. There's a reason why you say Pog boom.
Exactly. He attempted the same thing against Patricio. And the last game, and it got saved. But this time he aimed it just a little bit more towards the right and the goal.
Yeah. And pinpoint accuracy. Pinpoint.
And people are criticizing him. He celebrated कर रहा है, where he's celebrating so much, and in the end they lost. But yeah, that's only because they lost. If they had won, no would have.
Yeah, and like if you're 2-1 up and you score one more and you're 3-1, you don't know you're gonna lose, na? So obviously you will celebrate.
Exactly. अब यार वही है कि in the end 3-1 था. The first half
Switzerland overall played a much better game. Zuber,
but Switzerland beating world champions is so big for them.
I think he messed with the defensive shape in the walkout game. I don't know what he was doing, why he changed the whole system. That was not a good decision of Deschamps. And this is a disappointment only with the team they had. They had come se kam semi-final.
Too many big names. Too many big names.
I mean, also the bad thing is Group F ke sare hi khatam. सबने क्या सोचा
अरे
था?
वो था ना,
क्या
it
हो
was
गया?
so deadly that no one survived.
I think France players, I think वही होगा, they got too complacent there towards the end of the game, and Switzerland they took advantage
Yeah.
that.
चलो
Oh
ठीक
yeah,
है.
I don't know if Deschamps will stay or not. People are saying Zidane. I don't know. Let's see. It'll be interesting to Zidane at France.
Moving on to
England
versus Germany, and
It's coming home, lads. It's coming home. I don't
So
know.
I
mean,
was
said
supporting
it.
Germany in that match.
I was supporting England. I don't like Germany. I don't know why I don't like them. I just don't like
bro,
them.
I was supporting England. You know me, I have like huge respect for English players. Like individually, I love them and respect them. But English fans, I cannot tolerate. Bro.
Yeah, the
Like,
fans they're just too cocky. They
They're
feel like
too cocky,
every
bro.
game they're like
Too-
the best team in the world.
And plus, I
This is
bought
probably
this
now
because
they
of
might
Rashford.
actually-
I bought this jersey
Yeah, I
because
know.
it looked nice, and I bought because of Rashford and because of individual players, and not because like I love England. एक तो भाई colonizers थे हमारे. हट. दूसरा मैं तो बस ये बोल रहा हूँ कि उनके फैंस मेरे को नहीं पसंद, इसलिए मैं
the thing about the girl, you know, they were
Yeah.
pushing all of this. Yes, you know, cry all that.
वो तो
Yeah,
बहुत ही
so,
भाई
you
बिना
won.
बात का.
I mean,
Game
तुम
है
जीत
भाई.
रहे हो, ठीक है, you should be happy. तुम अब तक ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मतलब banter कर सकते हो, but यार ऐसी चीजों पे तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
that was
Well,
just
I
too
think-
disgusting, bro. We posted a story.
Yeah.
अबे but if we like talk about the game, अगर वो मुलर का चांस चले जाता ना तो वो 1-1 पे ही जाता.
and then पूरा plan हो जाता flop. सही
मैं
कह रहा
I
है.
literally celebrated bro, और फिर 2-3 सेकंड बाद पता चला मुझे कि नहीं गया.
But
इतना
in the end,
गुस्सा
the
आया
plan
मेरे को
worked.
तब.
I mean, Southgate has he is basically like the Jose only. He's like, I'm going to
English
defend
Jose.
the whole game. And
Abhi
then we're going to
English-
get 2-3 chances.
Abhi
And because we have
England
such good
knows-
players that we'll score those chances and we'll win the game. This is his tactic. And it works.
Yeah, England knows how to score one and defend. जो बहुत
Yeah.
सारी टीम्स वैसे यूरोज में नहीं कर पाती, इंग्लैंड को आता है वो करना कि स्कोर वन, sit at the back and don't let them concede.
They have to give credit to Southgate. I mean, suppose that everybody's criticizing him. He's not good enough, this and that. But I think this just shows he is good. His plan was perfect. Sit back,
But-
try to hit on the counter, 1-0 हो गया. Then it was the second half, as Germans also got tired. उनके wing backs भी थक गए थे क्योंकि तभी वो 3 at the back खिलाया उसने, because he knew he had to
But
negate the full backs. और फिर he brought on Grealish, and Grealish was responsible for the second goal as well.
Yeah.
So I
Bro,
think
special shout
not at
outs
all,
to
you have to give
Grealish,
credit to
Shaw
him.
and Maguire. Like,
Oh, what a game! I mean, Shaw or Maguire. I think anyone you could pick as the man of the match. I mean, I would pick
Yeah.
Shaw. Somebody
no, but
could pick
Maguire also
and-
played very well at the back. Good
I think he got the award also. Man of the match
Yeah,
also.
Yeah, he got
Maguire got the award.
man of the match.
But Shaw also could have.
But, like, Don't you think for like England, if they face a small team or like a small country or like underdogs, then थोड़ा सा risk लो, attack करो, उसमें भी ये 1-0
But
पे
then
ही
the
goal
group
करने
stage
लगा.
also they faced like these teams only, and they did the same way only.
Bro, they
Against
play
Croatia
safe.
also.
They play a safe game.
That's why they play, Rice and Phillips.
बस
I mean,
पर
all I
मेरे को
can
पता
say
क्या
is
लगता है इंग्लैंड
England-
के साथ क्या होगा अगर उन्होंने अच्छी टीम को भी खेला एंड इफ दे 1-0 डाउन, फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगी.
But then they have the players, bhai. Last game he didn't play Grealish at the start. He didn't play Mount. He didn't play Foden. He didn't play Sancho. He didn't play Rashford. Imagine that on your bench. और किसी को
वो तो भाई-
पागल है वो. I mean, if you lose,
वही
it,
खेलते
then
रहेंगे.
you play.
पता है, हमेशा हर राउंड पे इंग्लैंड की ऐसी टीम है कि सबसे ज्यादा टाइम इंग्लैंड का डिस्कस होता है.
That's
क्योंकि
because they have the most.
क्योंकि ऑप्शन ही इतने सारे. तुम देखो.
हाँ. Was they the most interesting teams to watch because पता नहीं है कि
हाँ.
कैसे करेंगे, how will they play. This whole tournament they had only one plan कि हम wing
हाँ.
back से cross back से space बनाएंगे.
हाँ.
If you negate that, they can't score. वही फ्रांस के साथ हो गया. वही this struggle against
पोर्चुगल
Hungary
के
was
साथ
like
it
that.
worked.
पोर्चुगल के साथ it worked क्योंकि पोर्चुगल ने उसको हैंडल ही नहीं किया अच्छी तरह से.
हाँ.
और इंग्लैंड also handled it well. They just had one plan. So again वही है कि हाकिम लो जो भी उनका, he was just maybe outdated, maybe.
But I didn't get why he didn't start Nabri. Like why? अगर
I
थोड़ा
think
सा
Gnabry had played a
चला
lot
था
of
pace
group
मिलती.
matches.
Probably,
Probably.
but I mean, again, I think you should have started ahead of Werner. I think Werner again missed a easier chance.
Yeah.
Chala.
Okay, so let's move on to the last game of the round of 16, which is Sweden versus Ukraine. Ukraine won
I
2-1.
watched this game.
The 121st minute.
No, I didn't watch it till then. I watched the first two goals, Panol वाले जब तक थे. And ये जो बंदा है ना, Forsberg जो भी है ये, क्या नाम है इसका?
Forsberg.
Bro, he's a very good player. भाई उसको सारी balls उसको बना रहे हैं.
He's in Leipzig, यार. He is a very very good
सारी
player.
balls उसे ही बना रहे हैं Sweden. और but shout out like shout out भी नहीं, like very good performance by Ukraine. Like Ukraine being such a
Honestly.
small team. And bro, what
And you have to develop. Well, yeah, they had to grind it out, and in the end, 121st minute. I mean, the scenes unbelievable. So I'm feeling a yogi bhai सारे players को and staff को सबको मतलब wow. But in this game, heartbreak for Sweden also.
yeah.
I think it'll be tough against England, पर अगर England वाला stage इन्होंने पार कर दिया, फिर तो वही कुछ.
So I think now
pressure-
England has a very very good chance to reach the finals.
to
Like,
reach the
I-
finals. Yeah.
But the thing is now all the pressure is on England. Like in this game also people were expecting Germany to better करेगी. But now all the pressure is on England to actually win. And let's see if they can actually cope with that pressure.
like that pressure, the
सही बात है.
one which was on France to reach the finals, the one जो वो हो जाता है ना, बन जाती है favorites की, मतलब तुम तो जाने ही चाहिए, तो फिर वो थोड़ा वैसा.
Let's just discuss quickly. I think the quarterfinal. I think we should discuss the quarterfinals quickly. मतलब कि let's just keep on things.
हाँ.
The first game is what? Spain versus Switzerland.
Switzerland,
Belgium,
Spain.
Italy.
I think
Belgium.
no. Switzerland, Spain, which
अच्छा.
is tomorrow.
Switzerland, Spain. हाँ. So
I think
Spain,
I'll be
I think-
supporting Switzerland.
Yeah,
I don't
even
like Spain. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
I think it's supporting Switzerland. I think maybe this will also go to extra time. I think
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, I think so.
But I think extra
But-
time. I think Spain. I think Spain only will win. So
Spain,
Spain,
different
like
place,
realistically, if you see, Spain will win, but are the favorites to win. But I want Switzerland to win. Like after
I also
beating
want-
France.
I'm just saying like predictions type. We made a prediction. Like I
हाँ.
think extra time and then Spain will win.
next
The next game is Belgium, Italy. That's the
Belgium,
main-
Italy, anything can happen, bro.
Bro, I'm
But,
rooting
like-
for Italy. I want Italy to
Italy-
I think
win.
Italy has a
Because-
better chance. They look better defensively. They look
And
quite
bro,
solid.
Belgium
De Bruyne injured.
Yeah, attack
Belgium में
also.
Eden
Belgium का
Hazard
है.
injured, तो
हाँ, Hazard and De Bruyne are also injured, so it will be tougher for Belgium.
Tough.
I think Italy will.
Italy will, yeah. Okay.
Then
Check
we have-
Denmark.
check Denmark.
I have a
कोई
feeling-
भी जीत जाएगा.
I have a feeling that Czech will win. I have a feeling that they'll grind the result out again. कि Denmark breakdown नहीं कर पाएगी उनको. I don't know. क्योंकि वो ये ना the other they just defended it against Netherlands also. They might have
Check
an experience
Denmark
on
for
how
me
to-
is like watching like two of my sons competing. ऐसा लग रहा है कि दोनों को
Two
support
of
कर.
the underdogs. अब ये गलत हो गया. ये दोनों underdogs को साथ डाल दो. दोनों strong को साथ
Well,
डाल
I'm just supporting both. I mean, I'm supporting obviously Denmark because it's the second. Obviously supporting Denmark, Eriksen, and all of the situation and everything.
Yeah.
And I'm supporting Czech also because I predicted Czech to do very
Yeah.
well in this, and not many people did. So obviously I also want Czech to win. So anybody wins, I'll be fine. But I have a feeling that Czech will win this game.
अच्छा, next.
The last game is
Ukraine, England. I want
Spain.
England now, यार. अगर England ने अब Germany, I was supporting Germany.
I want
I think-
England versus Italy final. अब
That will be a good final. That'll be a very good
Yeah.
final.
but अगर England final में पहुंच गए, I have a feeling England will win. Why do I have this feeling?
They've only been in one final ever, bhai, in 66.
हाँ.
और वो प्रेशर भी बहुत होगा उन पे. मतलब ये भाई you never know. बहुत ही इंग्लैंड का इतना प्रेशर होगा ना उस फाइनल में कि it will depend if the players will crack or will they actually take on the pressure.
फिर मेरे को पता क्या लग रहा है. फिर वो खिलाएगा 5 at the back. पूरा ही
हाँ,
आ रहा है.
वो तो
Maybe.
7 क्या सारी डिफेंडर लगा देगा वो. Except Kane
Sterling.
attack
Sterling.
और सारे डिफेंस.
Kane and Sterling और बाकी सब defense.
बाकी सारे डिफेंस.
But I think England will only win. Well,
But
yeah.
yeah, the thing with Sterling is he's performing, he's getting the result. तो उसमें कोई अब कुछ नहीं
He's
कर
not
सकता.
Probably, bro,
At his
for
best,
him
but
it
goal
would
मारा.
be his last Euros now. Like
भाई कंट्री में गोल चाहिए भाई, फॉर्म नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं यार,
Goal
how will it
चाहिए.
be his last Euros यार? He is-
29-30 का हो
Yeah.
गया होगा.
कौन?
Sterling.
नहीं 27
अबे नहीं भाई 33 तक तो खेलता ही है यार.
अच्छा हाँ
ये अब अगले बार खेलेगा ये ऐसा थोड़ी है. I mean हाँ. So
चलो आउटरो कर लें अब.
that was the end of our round of 16. Probably one of the very most exciting rounds we have
yes
seen in a long time. So guys, please, if you're still here, like the video and subscribe to our channel.
subscribe करो
You know,
And
weekly
please follow us on
content.
Instagram, please.
इंस्टा पे भी
follow
भाई अब हम
Instagram
रील्स
now.
डालते हैं भाई करो फॉलो अब भाई ये बहुत हो गया
Good
और मेरे
reels,
को गुस्सा
transfer
इस बात
news,
का आ रहा है
match
शकीरी वाली नहीं
analysis.
चली.
हाँ शकीरी वाली करो पोस्ट सालो
हाँ. Not the Shakiri. Not the Shakiri. Just watch every reel.
हाँ
Which
यार
it's just
वो
30
सेव
seconds.
करो वो ना सेव कर दो तुम फिर उसकी रीच बढ़ेगी
सेव लाइक बढ़िया होता है.
Yeah.
नहीं
Like और subscribe मारो.
सेव से रीच बढ़ती है चलो ठीक है
और
लाइक
subscribe.
सब्सक्राइब एंड
Follow our Instagram.
यस
Alright.
And
Okay.
हाँ ऐसे भी
Okay.
रुक जाओ एक बोले देते हैं। बस बाय बाय
See you.
bye bye.